what happens when you give a guy too much time and a lot of tools? You get me and this YouTube channel. I tackle all kinds of projects from the practical to the improbable and everything in between on my 17-acre rural paradise. Whether it's carpentry, electrical, plumbing, metalworking, or electronic projects, you name it, I like to do it. I especially enjoy adding mods to my Kubota tractor. Along the way, I'll give honest reviews of some of the tools I use to get the job done. This is DIY my way.